Yes, can anyone say me a short note on Mohenjo-daro? No one knows? Yes, beta, no one knows?
What, ma'am?
Short note on Mohenjo-daro?
Ma'am, I'm left.
Why? The last class तो मैंने करवाया था ये आपको. No one is knowing any short note of Mohenjo-daro?
What, ma'am?
Short note on Mohenjo-daro, no one is knowing?
No, ma'am.
Why? Yes. Okay, chalo, no problem. We will revise once, then you will know. Then you will be able to answer my question. Sir, come on, stay plus. Yes, beta. Hassan, read beta. एक
Yes, ma'am. Chapter 3.
બે કરો તો બે ને કરે. Yes, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Chapter number 3. Ancient towns and scripture. We often hear two words, culture and civilization. Do you know its meaning? Culture is a culture is a matter related to human life, while civilization is developed by human being, which he creates with his own caliber, skill and creativity. Skills Egypt's
Egypt,
Mesopotamia,
Mesopotamia,
yes, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such great
exhibit, exhibit.
exhibit such great civilization of a human society. Centuries old civilizations still inspire human life. Out of this civilization, we sh-
We shall
out of
study.
this, yes, yeah. Out of this civilization, we shall study about Harappan civilization.
Very good. So we are going to study about Harappan civilization. You remember I showed you in this map Harappan civilization, Dholvira, the location of Dholvira, Punjab. Remember or not? This is the places of Harappan civilization when you know better before many years ago, right? And where was it developed? It was developed at Indus Valley civilization. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, now we know Harappan that
Thank you.
that
Yes, we know Harappan civilization.
yes, ma'am. We know Harappan civilization. 1 minute. Yes, we know.
Yes, read better. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. We know Harappan civilization also as Indus Valley civilization. Remains of this civilization were first discovered from Harappa in 1921. Many of the places the civilization in the northwestern part of India include Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholaveri,
Dholvira.
Khali- Dholvira, Kalibangan, Rakhi Gadi, etc. See
See
the
this spellings you have to learn, huh? You have to by heart these spellings, okay? Yes.
okay, ma'am. Kalibang, etc. See the locations of places of Harappan civilization in the map 3.1. Let's get introduction of town planning of some of the major cities and their features.
Very good. Town planning.
Yes, ma'am. Comparison between Harappan towns and today's town. Town planning. Organized town planning was the most important feature of Harappan civilization. All the towns were planned in a similar way. In all places, fort was on westward side and colony of common people. Ma'am,
Yes.
second. Yes, ma'am. On the on the east side, highway separated both of them. The on the west was surrounded by fortress. Most probably, rules would have lived in the fort. Bricks
Rules
were
means
of
rulers.
yes, sorry. Ruler rulers would have lived in the fort. Bricks were often used in the town structures. Let's study about various features of Harappan civilization. Main feature of Harappan civilization was their organized house arrangement. Houses were constructed on high platforms to protect them from flood and dampness. One of the features of houses of Harappa was that the main gate opened in the lands rather than towards. The main roads here single and double storied
Storied, double
houses.
storied,
Yes, double
double
storied
storied
house,
house.
double
You know, we
storied
also have
house.
double storied houses, right?
Yes, double storied house were seen. Roads were very comfortable. There were two highways in the city, one of which connected north with south and the other east with west.
Very good, very good, very good. So now this is a very important paragraph of the lesson. You have to remember this paragraph because if you are asked to write a short note on Harappan civilization, you have to write all these points. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Very good, beta. I explained you this paragraph last class. Remember? No?
Ah, yes, ma'am. You explain.
Yes, beta.
Yes,
Read, beta.
ma'am. Yes. Here streets were parallel to the main road. Roads intersected each other at a right angle. Roads and streets were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into square and rectangular sections. Evidence of night light system has also been obtained on public roads. There was each there was a highly developed developed systematic system of disposal of water in Harappan civilization road out of city towns. A public bath has been found in Mohenjo-daro. In the center of this, there are changing rooms around the pond.
Your voice is
This,
not clear today. Can anyone else read, beta? Hassan's voice is not coming clear.
Ma'am, can I read Nakpiragi
ma'am,
lesson?
Yes,
now it's
Natragi.
clear.
Hassan, then also I think there is some problem in your network. बीच में break हो रहा है. Shall we give chance to Natragi Hassan? He'll read from first.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, streets where. Then we'll see again if you can, if your network is good. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Here, streets were parallel into the main road. Roads inter roads
Clear, ma'am.
intersected each other at a right angle. Roads and streets
Veda.
were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular sections. Evidence of night light system has also been obtained on public roads. There was a highly developed and systematic system for disposal of water in Harappan civilization. The water from each house flowed into small sewer and from small sewer to the large sewer.
Yes.
Water from the large sewer flowed out of the town. A public bath has been found in Mohenjo-daro. In the center of this public bath is a pond for bathing. There are steps arranged on both of the sides to get into the pond. There are changing rooms around the pond. This public bath would have been used on festivals or religious occasions. In
In
addition
addition,
to the what ma'am?
very good. In addition to this,
Religious occasions. In addition to this, pillared houses used as assembly halls have also been found in Mohenjo-daro. Harappa is an archaeological site located in Montgomery district of Punjab, currently in Pakistan. Harappa must have been the main town of Indus Valley civilization. The main feature of Harappa is granary. About 12 grain stores have been found on the bank of river Ravi.
yes. So you can write all this in the revision short note. Yes or no? Yes or no,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Chala. Yes. So if you want to write a short note on Harappan civilization, what you will write?
What, ma'am?
Harappan.
Ma'am, on Harappan civilization is main roads, main this
Civilization.
here streets were parallel to main
Yes.
roads.
Who is giving the answer?
Ma'am, here streets were parallel to ma'am
Little
Prakash
loudly,
Raj.
Hassan.
Yes, ma'am.
Little
In
loudly.
Harappan civilization,
Huh?
yes, in Harappan civilization we write here streets were parallel to the main road. Roads intersected each other at a right angle. Roads and
Very
streets
good.
were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular sections. Evidence of night light system has also been obtained on public roads. The highly There was a highly developed and systematic system for disposal of water. In Harappan civilization, the water from each house flowed into small sewer, and from small sewer to the large sewer. Water from large sewer flowed out of the town city. A public bath has been found in Mohenjo-daro.
Hmm.
In the center of this public bath is a pond for bathing. There are steps arranged on both the sides to get into the pond. There are changing rooms around the pond. This public bath would have been used on festivals or religious occasions. In addition to this, pyrelid houses used as assembly halls have also been found in Mohenjo-daro. Harappa is an archaeological site located in Montgomery district of Punjab, currently in Pakistan. Harappa must have been the main town of Indus Valley civilization.
Yes. Other points, what you can
District,
write?
as in other points, this civilization, the main feature of Harappa is it is a granary.
Hmm.
About 12 grain stores have been found on the
Ha.
bank of River
These are
Ravi.
these are in the upper paragraph. From the upper paragraph, you want to take, then what points you will take?
I mean this. Yes.
What you will take?
Ma'am, first main feature of Harappan civilization was organized house arrangement.
Hmm?
Then houses were constructed on the high platforms.
Yes, why?
Then
Why were they connected on
to
the high platform?
to protect them from a flood and dampness.
Ah, very good. Then,
Then there single and double storage houses were seen.
very good.
Then
About
one
lanes,
of
if you want
house.
to write, see, this
What,
is the
ma'am?
way. Lanes. See, if you want, see, my dear students, listen. Hello, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आपको लेन्स के बारे में लिख सकते हो, if you are asked to write a short note, right, on the Harappan civilization, you can write like this way by your own. Huh? See, repeated revision of explanation helps you to learn how to write the short note. What does it help you in, beta?
To write on short note.
Yes. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Chalo. Understood how Napiraki person you can write? Now we will see about Lothal. Okay. Last class I discussed about Lothal. Okay. Now Lothal is what, beta? Lothal is situated on the banks of Hogao River in Dholka Taluka. Where is it situated, beta?
In situated
Dholka.
on the
हाँ,
banks of Bhogavo River in Dholka Taluka.
in Ahmedabad district. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Lothal was a commercial port. Port means what? Anyone knows what is port? Anyone of you know what is port?
No, ma'am.
No one knows what is port. P-O-R-T port.
मैम पोर्ट में बंदरगाह जहाँ पे शिप्स
हाँ,
आती है।
very good. Who gave this answer?
मैम आई और टोलियर।
Very good. Yes, port is what, beta? A place where this ships and boats and they come and go, right? Where the loading and uploading of goods is done. That is ports. What is it? Ports,
Where
right?
sheep and all things.
Yes. So you can say that international trade was carried out from these ports. International trade of goods and materials was carried out from these ports. Is it clear? Yes. A structure
Ma'am,
made
in
of brick. हाँ बेटा. So
ma'am, in port that international things come.
international trade, yes. See, for the economic development of any place, okay, during that period of time, international trade was going on. Things where things used to go out and come inside. Goods were going to the other countries, and goods were also sent to our country for the trading purpose, requirement purpose, demand purpose, right? Yes, today also we have international trade, but we have international trade also by ships as well as by airways. Okay, airways से भी international trading होता है और ships से भी होता है. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes, चलो. Understood about this paragraph, beta everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Lothal is considered as a very important place during the Harappan civilization. I'll show you in the map Lothal. Okay, boys? Wait. Can you see Lothal? See, it is near the banks of रिवर के
Yes,
साथ
yes.
ओशन के साथ उनका मैच होता है, बॉर्डर।
Yes, ma'am.
कैन यू सी सौराष्ट्र, रामपुर एंड लोथल?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो
It is
इंटरनेशनल। हाँ,
it is near in Ahmedabad also.
यस, अहमदाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ही है वो, हमने अभी तो पढ़ा बेटा आगे। सी
Yes.
नाउ रीड दिस पैराग्राफ लोथल, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड। रीड बेटा।
Yes, ma'am. Lothal is situated on the banks of Bhogavo River in Dholka Taluka in Ahmedabad district.
Yes,
Yes.
understood where it is
Lo-
situated?
yes. Yes.
Yes, then read ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Lothal was a commercial port
Commercial नहीं,
and
commercial,
an
commercial।
commercial 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 port and an industrial town in ancient times. A structure made of bricks has been arriving with ships. Ships arriving here were used for loading and unloading of goods. Ma'am, sorry. Sorry, ma'am. The structure made of bricks has been found in Lothal. It is considered that it must have been a dockyard.
Dockyard।
Yes, dockyard. It can be assumed assumed that the vessels ship arriving here were used for loading and unloading of goods. In addition, warehouses and bead factories have been found here. So it can be said that Lothal was a
Prosper,
prosperous
prosperous, pros,
prosperous yes pro,
prosperous,
prosperous prosperous port of ancient India, and international trade of Harappan civilization must have been done through the port of
food.
Lothal.
This is the port of Lothal. Okay, now this is the photo of dockyard of Lothal port. Can you see? Yes. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now, फिर आगे बस can you read this paragraph about Dholvira? Yes, Makri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Continue, beta.
What, ma'am?
Read from Dholvira.
Okay, ma'am. Dholvira is an archaeological site located in Hyderabad area in Bachau Taluka in Kutch district. Generally, the Harappan towns are divided into two parts, bilateral, while the town of Dholvira is divided into three parts, trilateral. Number one, Citadel Fort. Number two, Upper Town. And number three, Lower Town. The main specialty of Dholvira town is rainwater harvesting system and stadium. Kalibangan town of Rajasthan was the headquarters of agricultural revolution in Harappan civilization. The remains of farms here provide proof of this. The copper residue from found here proves that
Found
copper tools
here.
must have
Here, nahi, here. Found here.
here proves that copper tools must have been manufactured here, and these tools might have been used in agriculture. Thus, the town planning of Indus civilization as well as organized, well engineered, well planned, and efficient. It is a wonderful reflection of the governing governing power of ruling, ruling, ruling elite. The intelligence of the engineers and the craftsmanship of the craftsmen.
Yes, very good. So Dholvira is an thank you, beta. Is an archaeological site located in Khadirabet area of Bhachau Taluka in Kutch district. Where it is? In Bhachau Taluka of Kutch district. Okay. Generally, the Harappan towns are divided into two parts. Okay. Into how many parts they are divided into? Between how many parts they are divided into two parts. Okay. While the town of Dholvira is divided into three parts. Citadel Fort, Upper Town, Lower Town. Okay. The main speciality of Dholvira town is rainwater harvesting system and a stadium. Now, beta, what is rainwater harvesting system? Anyone knows?
मैम रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम मीन्स जो बारिश का पानी होता है उसे स्टोर करना. जैसे हम प्लांट सूख जाते हैं
Yeah,
तो फिर उसे निकाल देते हैं, ऐसे वो बारिश के पानी को हम स्टोर करते हैं.
yeah, it is very important to save the rainwater. Whenever it rains, it is very important to save that rainwater. Now, there is rain water harvesting system for that. Okay. So, for this place about the Dholvira, you can say कि वहाँ के जो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम और स्टेडियम स्टेडियम मीन्स व्हाट एवरीवन माइट बी नोइंग राइट व्हाट इज स्टेडियम
Yes, stadium we playing cricket or anything.
yes a playground right where people come and watch you all to where you are playing that is a stadium so the main feature of Dholvira were two things what were the two things harvesting system and stadium is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
clear yes yes Hassan revise this paragraph that I explained you right now.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Dholavira is an archaeological site located in the Khatirbat area in Bachau Taluka in Kutch district. Generally, the Harappan towns are divided into two parts. Bilateral, while the town of Dholavira is divided into three parts. Trilateral first.
Citadel Fort.
Yes, first pass Citadel Fort, second Upper Town, third Lower Town. The the main specialty of Dholavira no is rainwater harvesting system and stadium.
Yes.
Kalibangan, yes, Kalibangan town of Rajasthan was the headquarters of agriculture revolution in Harappan civilization. The remains of farms here provided proof of this. The copper residue found here proves that copper tools must have been manufactured here and these tools might have been used in agriculture. Thus,
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 the
yes,
town
thus,
planning, yes,
yes,
thus the
thus,
town planning of Indus civilization was well organized. How was it, Peter? It was well organized,
yes, thus the town
well
planning of
engineered, well
Indus
planned, and
civilization
efficient.
is well
Okay, it is
organized.
a wonderful, yes, it is wonderful reflection of growing power of ruling elite, the intelligence of the engineers and craftsmanship of the craftsman है ना engineers का growing power of ruling elite means what कि various types of work which were done by the engineers right it is a great importance right today also right today also uh, yes from whose mic my voice is getting reflected
Ma'am, but your screen is not there.
yes no
You have
problem
stopped.
no problem I'm presenting again okay don't worry Chalo, everyone understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Lothal. Chalo, now one of you send me a short note on Lothal.
Ma'am, Lothal. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Chalo, be fast.
Yes, ma'am, on Lothal. Ma'am, Lothal in short note.
Oh, I explained you right now, huh?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. In Lothal, Lothal is situated on the